Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to get ready to plate our arugula salad for our virtual Valentine's Day dinner. So Chef, do you want to go ahead and take it away with our house-made vinaigrette?
Yep. Okay. We take a nice amount of baby arugula.
Chef, can you tell everybody what baby arugula tastes like?
Baby arugula is a little bitter. It's nice and crunchy lettuce. Actually, do very well match with our vanilla vinaigrette, especially with fruit. You can add grapes, apple. In this case, I'm going to use poached pears. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla vinaigrette. Toast nicely, carefully. You can see nice color and shiny. Now let's put it in the center of the plate. Good. Now, to add some crunchiness, some pecans. You can roast your pecans if you want with some honey, brown sugar, or just plain toast. Now, let's go to add our poached pears.
For those of you at home, Chef's already made this one a little bit easier. When you go and open your kit, Chef has already poached your pears, so all you will have to do is prepare them for the salad.
Let's garnish with some freshness of the goat cheese. And that's all. We have our baby arugula salad with poached pears, goat cheese, and pecans dressed with vanilla vinaigrette.